Hey guys, welcome back. It's James Bennett here, the property coach, and we're just down here at one of our latest projects, and I just thought I'd take this opportunity to show you guys around, show you what's been going on the last couple of weeks. When we was here last, we was installing all the liquid floor screed. You might have seen it in one of my previous videos. Now today we've got loads of work going on. We've got the plasterers in there, we've got the labourers, and shit's getting done. So front of the property's been painted, started having the trims and everything put on there. This is to be rendered. We're just waiting for the windows to be delivered. We've also got a new front door going on there. We're going to have it rendered across the bottom. I'll take you through to the property now, guys. Right, so in through the front door, into the porch. We've got everything prepped, ready for the plasterers. We've got blue grit on all the walls, so they're ready to be hard walled and then skimmed. Now this is a room, what we've added onto the property. This is a little downstairs bedroom. It's nearly all plastered. The walls are prepared. The first fix electrics are all in. So this has made the property a 4-bedroom property now, because we've added a property downstairs. And I'll take you through it. I'll show you where all the magic's been happening. This is the living room at the front of the property. As you can see, it's full of kitchen at the moment. That's the kitchen, what's being delivered there. And this is what we've created. So we've got this nice open plan downstairs, open living. We've added on a big extension at the back of the property. I'll just give you a little insight at the back so you can see what I mean. So this is what we've added to the property. Nice big extension, which is 7 metres across and 3.3 metres deep. We've added in some massive steel beams, so the property's got a nice open plan feeling. The garden's getting there as well. The fences are getting painted. So go back into the property. Over here is going to be the kitchen, and we'll have units underneath the window and running all along that wall there. We've installed these nice big skylights in the ceiling. We've got 3 of those in the property. So we walk through the kitchen now, and we go into this little pantry area. I say little, it's quite a decent size. It's perfectly set out, so you can have a washing machine and a dryer situated next to each other, and then you turn around and you've got the same area again, which is going to have a work surface across, so you can do your washing, turn around, put your washing behind you. Nice little layout. There's also going to be an island in the middle of the kitchen, and this is part of what we've added onto the property as well. Here's these steel beams, what we've installed. This enables us to have all the open plan living throughout the property. So we go through another little doorway here, which will be a downstairs bathroom, which is all boarded apart from the ceiling. So here there's going to be a walk-in shower. We've already got the pipes installed. We've got the drainage in here. We're going to have a sink up this corner. We're going to have a toilet up this corner. And we've got another skylight in the roof there also. I'll take you through to the upstairs of the property, show you what's been going on there. We've got the plasterers in today. He's plastering throughout the upstairs of the property. So this property was originally a 3-bed property, semi-detached. It had a relatively small footprint, but what we've done, we have added on a big extension at the back. We've added on the bedroom, pantry and toilet. Now this is the upstairs family bathroom. As you can see, the walls have all been prepared with the blue grit and prepped. We've got the heaters on in here, trying to dry out the walls because it's that cold today in the property. We're struggling to get the plasters to stick. So we've got the heaters on, drying out the walls, and this will be soon to be the family bathroom. This is one of the 4 bedrooms, which is now all plastered. The plasterer's got all his tools all over the place. Nice to see, freshly buttered walls. Show you a little, this is outside the back of the property. There's the skylight there. So it's all coming together now, guys. Last big push. We're going to try and get this project finished by January. Hopefully get it on the market by the end of Jan. This used to be the master bedroom. It's a decent size upstairs. Hey Lee, how you doing? Nice one for watching, mate. This is a little small bedroom. Probably going to be an office or something. So yeah, just thought I'd show you guys what's been going on. I've been a bit quiet on the socials lately. As you can see, been busy. I project manage these projects myself, so I'm always on the go. So I'd like to say thanks for everybody who's watching, and I'll catch up with you all soon. And if anybody's interested in projects like this, don't hesitate, drop me a message. I'm always here, happy to help. How you doing, Peter? Thanks for watching. Nice to see you guys on here. Now, if you've got any questions while I'm live, don't hesitate, drop your questions in. I'm here, I'll answer them for you. And if you like what we're doing, you want to get involved in property investing, drop us a message. We're here to help. We'll point you in the right direction. So have a great day, guys. I'll speak to you all soon.